Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of desk monitors, specifically focusing on what you need to know for work, media consumption, and, crucially, eye comfort. Choosing the right monitor can significantly impact your productivity, enjoyment, and long-term eye health. First, let's talk about work. When selecting a monitor for work, consider the resolution. A higher resolution, such as 1440p or 4K, provides more screen real estate, allowing you to have multiple windows open side by side without feeling cramped. This is incredibly beneficial for multitasking, whether you're working with spreadsheets, documents, or coding. Also, think about the size. A 27-inch or larger monitor is often ideal for work, providing a comfortable viewing experience. Consider the panel type. IPS panels offer excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles, making them great for tasks that require precise color representation. Next, we'll consider media consumption. If you're using your monitor for watching movies, streaming shows, or gaming, a few additional factors come into play. A fast refresh rate, such as 144 Hz or higher, is crucial for smooth gaming. Look for a monitor with a low response time, measured in milliseconds. To reduce motion blur, for the best visual experience, consider an HDR-compatible monitor, which provides a wider range of colors and greater contrast. If you're a gamer, a curved monitor can enhance the immersive experience. In terms of size, larger monitors, like 32-inch or even larger, are often preferred for media consumption. Now, let's address the crucial topic of eye comfort. Spending extended periods staring at a screen can lead to eye strain, headaches, and other issues. To mitigate these problems, look for monitors with features designed to reduce eye fatigue. Blue light filters are essential. These filters reduce the amount of blue light emitted by the screen, which can disrupt sleep patterns and cause eye strain. Many monitors come with built-in blue light filters or allow you to adjust the color temperature to reduce blue light. Flicker-free technology is another important feature. Flicker can cause eye strain, so choose a monitor that eliminates flicker. Consider the ergonomics. Adjustable stands, allowing you to adjust the height, tilt, and swivel, are important for finding the most comfortable viewing position. Finally, remember to take breaks. The 20-20-20 rule is a great guideline. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. In summary, when choosing a desk monitor, consider your primary usage: work, media, or both. Prioritize resolution, size, panel type, and features, such as refresh rate and response time. Don't forget to prioritize eye comfort by choosing monitors with blue light filters, flicker-free technology, and adjustable stands. By making an informed decision, you can ensure that your monitor enhances your productivity, entertainment, and well-being. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of desk monitors. Specifically, we'll review monitors suitable for work, media consumption, and, crucially, eye comfort. Choosing the right monitor can significantly impact your productivity, enjoyment, and long-term eye health. First, let's talk about monitors for work. When selecting a monitor for work, consider the following resolution, size, and panel type. A higher resolution, like 1440p or 4K, allows you to see more content and details, which is beneficial if you're working with spreadsheets, code, or design. A larger screen size can improve multitasking. Panel type is also important. IPS panels offer excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles, making them ideal for tasks involving visual content. TN panels are faster and more affordable, which is suitable for fast-paced applications. Another important factor is ergonomics. Look for monitors with adjustable stands that allow you to tilt, swivel, and adjust the height. This helps you find a comfortable viewing position that reduces strain on your neck and back. Next, let's explore monitors for media consumption. For watching movies, playing games, and other media-rich activities, the following features are important. A large screen is usually desirable. A curved screen can enhance the viewing experience by making you feel more immersed. Consider a high refresh rate if you're a gamer. This will make your gameplay smoother. HDR support is essential for an immersive viewing experience, especially when watching movies. HDR expands the range of colors and contrast, making images look more vibrant and realistic. High-quality built-in speakers or audio output options are also a plus. Finally, let's address eye comfort. Staring at a screen for hours can lead to eye strain, headaches, and other issues. Here are some features to look for in a monitor that prioritizes eye comfort: blue light filter. Most modern monitors have built-in blue light filters. These filters reduce the amount of blue light emitted by the screen, which can disrupt sleep patterns and cause eye strain. Flicker-free technology. Monitors that use flicker-free technology reduce eye strain by eliminating the screen's flickering effect. Low blue light mode. This mode reduces blue light emission. Adjustability is also important. The ability to adjust the brightness and contrast of your monitor is crucial to prevent eye strain. Consider an anti-glare screen. An anti-glare screen reduces reflections from surrounding light sources. In conclusion, choosing the right desk monitor involves considering your specific needs, whether that is work, media consumption, or eye comfort. By considering the factors we've discussed today, you can find a monitor that enhances your productivity, entertainment, and well-being. Thank you for watching.